Good morning, students. Myself, Teacher Anju. Hope you all are very safe and in good health. Today, we are going to learn a lesson of milk and milk products for Standard 10, Chapter 1, that is Methods of Preserving Milk and Milk Products. Let's begin, children. Milk is produced naturally by all mammal mothers to provide food to their newborns. Now, children, what do you mean by mammals? Yeah, mammals are vertebrate animal whose young are nourished with milk from special mammary glands of the mother. Or children, mammals are warm-blooded. Mammals feed their babies milk. There are over 5,000 species that are mammals. Humans are mammals too. Milk is an essential food. Essential, it means children, absolutely necessary or extremely important food for their young ones as it provides all the nutrients they need until they can eat other foods. Nutrients is a substance that provides nourishment essential for the maintenance of life and for their growth. It means children, milk contains lots of nutrients that are essential for growing babies and children. Milk contains minerals, proteins, vitamins, therefore, it is considered to be an essential food in our diet. Minerals is a solid naturally occurring inorganic substances or element such as calcium, sodium, etc. Now, children, you know calcium is needed for strong bones and teeth. Protein is needed for growth and energy. Milk is rich in protein, casein, which constitute 80% of the total nitrogen in milk. Other proteins are whey protein. So, casein and whey proteins are the major proteins of milk. Vitamins. Milk contains almost all the essential vitamins, which include fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. It is a very good source for the most essential fat soluble vitamin, namely the vitamin A. Therefore, children, milk is considered to be an essential food in our diet. Mammal mothers start producing milk as soon as the young ones are born. For example, children, cows, water buffaloes and goats are the main milk producer today. Can you tell children which foodstuffs spoil most quickly? Yeah, the milk and milk products spoil most quickly if it not proceed or refrigerate. Children, even in sweet shop you might have seen they will say Bengali mithai or milky mithai, please consume within a 24 hours. So children, what precaution we have to take from the spoilage of milk? Yeah, we can keep milk into the refrigerator because refrigerator has a low temperature, and that's why in the refrigerator the food remains fresh for a longer period of time. Milk is sterile at secretion in the udder but is contaminated by bacteria even before it leaves the udder. It means children, milk contains relative few bacteria when it is removed from the udder of a healthy animal. Further, infection of the milk by microorganisms can take place during milking, handling, storage and other pre-processing activities. Now children, Some of these bacteria are harmful to human also. Few types of microorganisms found in milk. Now, can you tell children what do you mean by microorganism? Yes, an organism that is so small and that can be seen it only through a microscope. It is so tiny to see that you require microscope because microscopes enlarges it, makes it looks bigger also. Okay. However, children during milking operation it gets contaminated. If the shed is dirty, dairy utensils and milking machines are unclean. Contaminated means impure. Also, in humid conditions, microorganisms gain an entry into the milk, and if the number of microorganisms increase by rapid cell division, milk spoils very quickly or easily. So, children, the utensils for storing milk at home should be clean. As soon as the milk is brought, it has to be boiled. Why we have to boil the milk, children, now? Yeah, because microorganism cannot survive at very high temperature, and by boiling microorganism skills are destroyed. Hence, the foodstuffs are also prevented from this spoilage by this microorganism, children. Milk should be boiled in tin, copper vessel or aluminium cooker. If the milk is boiled in stainless steel utensils, care has to be taken it does not get burnt, children. So, children, it means when we boil the milk, we should use copper or aluminium vessels because if we are using steel utensils, there is a chances of milk get burned. So, burnt milk gives out a foul smell and having an extremely unpleasant smell, children, we can say. Once the milk is bought, it has to be boiled. The vessel for boiling milk should be clean for inside as well as the outside, children. A lid has to be placed on the vessels to avoid its contamination by dust or microorganism. The milk has to be cooled and stored into the refrigerator. Curd and milk should not be placed together because, children, in some cases combining two foods may lead to a host of gastrointestinal problems, or wrong food combination may cause even indigestion also. Okay. An ordinary Indian farmer does not have advanced machine for storing milk. So, they store milk in pots, buckets and kettles. This milk is then taken to dairy through large cans or tankers. Dairies have chilling center which are advanced. Polls accepted waste and supply of the milk supplies of the milk from different sources and checks the condition and quality of milk supplies. Milk is chilled immediately and stored till supplied it to the market or processor. And this chilling machine maintains the quality of milk and prevents it from getting spoiled. Now, children, milk obtained from clean and healthy animals does not contain any disease producing microorganisms. This milk is raw, natural, and is of best quality. Also, this milk has better shelf life. So, it is very important that the milk animal should be clean, strong, and healthy. At the same time, the shade in which the animals are kept should be clean. Milk animals means children, milk producing animals we can called as a milk animals. For example, children, cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. are the examples. Okay. The milk from goats is very nutritious. On the other hand, children, cleanliness is very important where animals are kept. So, children, today we have learned about the brief introduction of milk. Now, remaining chapter we will continue in the next video. Thank you. Stay safe.